This is Chris Kelly with just a quick walkthrough of setting up your Lower Abs Revealed program. Alright, so when you receive our program, you're going to download a zip file containing these documents. Alright, so you're going to open your file, and what we're going to do is start with the workout program. Alright, so what we're going to do is click on the document Lower Abs Revealed Routine Standard. Alright, so I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up a PDF document that just says Lower Abs Revealed. And, with this, it just lists, we have a training schedule and instructions and a couple other things that are going to help you along. So we're just going to concentrate on the training schedule. All right, so here we have our weekly training schedule. Okay, what this lists out is what we're doing on each day. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. And as you can see, on Monday, we're doing core workout A. What you're going to do is just drag the cursor to core workout A. Okay, and I'm going to click on that. Okay, and it just asks me, it's going to bring up a YouTube video. So I'm just giving you an example there. We move down to day 2. We have an interval training routine followed by the recovery routine. All right, and it's important that you do these things to the letter because these are important elements of our program. Okay, and these are going to help your body. These are going to help to strengthen and stretch the right muscles in order to get the results that we're looking for. Moving on to Wednesday, we have core workout B. And then you just repeat these for the rest of the week. Sunday is complete rest day, or we perform our foundation routine, but either one is acceptable on that day. Okay, but the main thing is you're doing these workouts every day as specified. You can certainly continue to work out. This is not the only thing that I expect you to do. If you already have a workout routine going, please continue to do that. This is in no way, intended to replace it. These workouts should take around 20 to 25 minutes, and they should be seen as a supplement to your normal workout routine. The other thing that you're going to notice is that for the workout schedule, we want you to stay on this program for each phase for around 3 weeks. Okay, so you're going to do this for 3 weeks, followed by maybe a couple days off where you just let your body rest and recover. So you do this for week 1 to 3, okay, and then you move to phase 2. All right, phase 2. Again, it's the same deal. We still have the same workouts in the same order. The only difference is we have a different video because we've moved to different exercises. So rather than using the workouts in core workout or phase 1, we move to 2. Once again, we stay there for around 3 weeks, and then we finish with phase 3, okay, for 3 weeks. All right, so that's our program in its entirety. Now, what we also do is we list interval training instructions below this. Okay, so for each week we kind of progress a little bit. So, for example, in week 1 we have 30 seconds on and then 30 seconds off, repeated for 15 minutes. Okay, and that's either sprinting, using a stair climber, doing burpees, whatever it may be. This interval routine should be performed in that fashion. And then from week to week, we increase to 18 minutes in week 2, and then in week 3 we change as well. But that's what we're looking for there. And finally, just so you don't have to, go back through and watch the videos every time, we've also included printable workout sheets that have the exercises and the instructions in their entirety. So for phase 1, you just scroll down, phase 1 workout A, it shows you what to do and gives you instructions. Scroll down to workout B, same thing, etc. Okay, so then we go into phase 2. So each workout, each phase, we have the workouts listed out, and then you can scroll down and just find the workouts for for the entire program, in its entirety. So you definitely have those resources as well. Now we're going to move on to our nutrition guide here. Okay, and this is the other part of the program. We want to look at what diet plan you're going to be using. Okay, so we're going to click on the Lower Abs Revealed Nutrition Guide. Okay, and with this, the goal here is just to figure out which diet you will actually use. All right, the idea is if you're busy and you don't have a lot of time to prepare food, to count calories and that kind of thing, I want you to pick the first option. Okay, and the first option is very simple. We give you a simple shopping list, and we tell you what to plug in for each meal. Okay, so I give you a list of proteins to consume, and then I say, okay, so for breakfast, for example, we're going to choose 1 protein, okay, and then 1 fruit or vegetable. This takes really all the guesswork out of what to eat if you're very busy. All you do is you plug in whatever suits your palate from the shopping list that we provide. To download this program, what you're going to do is just click on this link. We've also provided it in our workout or in the zip file, which I'll show you when we're done here. Now our second option is going to be our advanced diet option. All right, and this is the standard that we use with our more advanced clients, our figure competitors, our physique clients. If you're looking to get down to a very low body fat, this is the ticket. Okay, and the reason why is our body plateaus oftentimes when we're just eating low carb. So instead of doing that, what we do is we eat higher carbs on workout days. So if you're doing intense strength training days, you want to eat more carbohydrates to fuel that workout. And then we want to cycle that with days where we eat fewer carbohydrates on like less intense days. Okay, and for purposes of our program, we give you a very specific guidelines. Okay, so what we're asking you to do here, okay, and is to choose 4 to 5 days where we opt for a low carb diet. Okay, and this spells it out. For low carb, you know, we have less than 50 carbohydrates. You're going to multiply your weight times 8. Okay, and that's basically what you're using. All right, you're going to pick 1 to 2 days of moderate, and then 1 day where you have a cheat day where you eat high. Okay, and with that, we just give you a basic schedule, which kind of gives you an idea of, you know, how this might be laid out. But this gives you, option 2 gives you guidelines of how to get this set up. Okay, and what we also do is we include a bunch of recipes and meal plans in our Lower Abs Revealed Advanced Diet. Okay, so you open this up, and this just has a breakfast guide, a main dish guide, and just really these are recipes for whatever you're, you know, for if you're interested in cooking. We also include a sample diet here to kind of, again, give you a reference to look at there. Okay, and finally, just to go back to, and yeah, that's really our program. If you have any questions or you know, you need anything at all, please feel free to email me.